So all you have to do is go over to Google News right here and find an article that you want to copy. Now paste it inside this website and make sure to add your affiliate link. And with this method, you can expect to make $1,000 per day by just copy and pasting articles from Google News. What's going on, Damien Belak here, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 very simple strategies that you can use to make money online with Google News and copy and pasting articles. And all of this takes only a couple of minutes per day. Now the last method in this video is going to allow you to make up to $1,000 in commissions per day, and all of this without a following, without website, or without any previous experience. Now before I hop into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, smash that like button, and also comment freedom to enter this video's giveaway, where I will be giving away my affiliate marketing training program with coaching that is worth $497. So if you want to enter the giveaway, make sure to complete all of these 3 steps. Now that we have everything out of the way, let's hop right in. Alright, so the first step is to head over to googlenews.com. Now Google News is a website where worldwide trending topics are being posted. So basically this gives you an overview of all of the trending topics going on worldwide, and you can also pick a niche that you want to find your article in. Okay, so we can do something like technology, and you can check out all of these trending and hot articles that are on Google News. So now that you have an article that you want to copy, all you have to do is just click on it. So as you can see, this is the article that we are going to copy for this video, but there's one issue. All right, we cannot copy it word for word because that would be copyright. So I'm going to show you an awesome tool called spinbot.com that's going to rewrite the article for us so we can use it as our own. Okay, so all you have to do is just copy the article, nothing else. Okay, like this. Okay, I'm just going to finish it off. All right, and there's one more right here, and this as well. Okay, all right, awesome. And now what you can do is click on basic spin, and this is going to rewrite and rearrange the text. All right, so it's not copied word for word. So click on basic spin. So as you can see on the left side, the article starts with the Galaxy S23 Ultra might get all the attention again, and on the right side, this is the basic spin. The system S23 Ultra could get all of the consideration once more. So it has been rewritten by this awesome free tool, and now we can copy it. Okay, click on copy, and now we can start going out there and start making money with this rewritten article. So now I'm going to show you 3 awesome ways that you can use to make money with this article. So the first method is head over to WhatCulture.com. So this is a very popular website where you can post articles in multiple niches. So as you can see, you have movies, TV, gaming, comics, music, and as you can see, this is an article from the music niche. All right, so 10 best songs where hard rock bands went acoustic. All right, so now you can click on write for us, and you can see how much you can get paid. So this is how you sign up and how much can I get paid. So while certain content may attract alternative rates, or standard list format articles are typically $40 per submission. So you can earn about $40 per article on WhatCulture.com. Now this by no means is going to get you rich, but this is one of the 3 methods that you can use to make some extra side income online by just spending an extra 5 or 10 minutes per day. So all you have to do is sign up, post the article, add your headline, and you are good to go. You can make $40 per day. Now the second method is head over to Fiverr.com. Now I'm sure you have heard of this website before. I order from this website like every other day. So for example, you can search for YouTube thumbnails, and here you can see the list of all the sellers that are selling YouTube thumbnails. All right, so they will create and design a thumbnail for your YouTube channel. So this is something I might purchase, okay? And as you can see, this guy is charging $20 per thumbnail, and he has sold over 1,000 copies. So that's like $20,000 and more. So you can really make a lot of money on Fiverr, but to show you guys how easy it is to make money with the Spinbot and Google News, head over to writing and translation, articles and blog posts. And as you can see, a lot of these sellers are writing articles. All right, so you can create an account, it's completely free, and you can post your gig and you can charge, let's just say $5 or $10 per article on any specific niche or topic. All right, and if somebody orders from you, let's just say I want an article in the make money online niche, all you have to do is head over to Google News, search for make money online. Okay, now you can choose one of these articles that you're gonna rewrite using the spin bot and send them over to your buyer on Fiverr. So if you have a brand new Fiverr account with 0 reviews, make sure to add your price like $5 or $10 per article so you can start getting some reviews, and then you can bump up your price later on. All right, so if people see that you're charging like $5 per article, they're gonna order from you. So for example, this guy's charging $5 and he has sold over 123 copies. So this is the second option that you can use to make money by copy and pasting articles from Google News. And now I'm going to show you the third method that's going to allow you to make up to $1,000 commissions per day. And that is by going to medium.com. Now medium.com is a website that's going to allow you to post your blogs. So for example, this guy wrote an article about 10 best productivity tools from Google. Okay, as you can see, he's listing and writing about these tools, and he also has affiliate links in this blog post. So he's making money when people are reading, and he's making money when people actually go to the affiliate link and purchase. And this is exactly how we can start making money with copy and pasting Google News articles. So make sure to go to Google News and search for a topic that you want to write in. So for example, how to make money online, 19 ideas to try. Okay, so now I can copy this article and I can change it a bit. Okay, so it's not copied word for word. So how to make money online, I can do like 10 ways. Okay, I can do 10 ways to make money online. So go back to medium.com, click on write article. This is my title. I'm gonna do 10 ideas to try. Okay, and now I can copy the first 10 ideas. So scroll down. All right, so number 1, complete graphic design projects. Okay, I can go to spin bot, basic spin. Okay, and now I can copy this. Go back to medium, and this is step number 1. Copy step number 2. All right, step number 3, and so on and so forth. So all of these 10 best ways to make money online. So the second will be drop shipping. Okay, so back to spin bot and click on basic spin. Now this is your second option to make money online. All right, go back to medium and finish off the entire article. So how to make money online, 10 ideas to try. So now when you have the entire article written, now you want to add something like, if you want to make money online, here's my personal recommendation. Click here to check it out. Okay, and now based on your niche, you want to find an affiliate product that's in your niche. So this is a make money online article. So I want to be promoting some type of make money online product where people can go and make money online. Okay, so Legendary Marketer is the perfect option for me. This is a course that's going to teach people how to make money online. It's top quality, very, very good course. So I can copy the link. All right, this is my affiliate link. And now I can paste it inside here. So click here to check it out. All right, click on this little chain icon and paste the link inside there. Okay, click on enter. So now you can publish this article. So click on publish. Okay, and add a topic. So this is business. And you can also include a high quality image in your story to make it more inviting to readers. So also make sure to add an image, some type of thumbnail that people will click on and read your article. So this is how I'm able to make money with Google News by copying and pasting articles. And this is how I'm able to make $1,000 commissions like clockwork. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is how you can make money with Google News by copy and pasting with these three simple strategies. Now you can pick one of these strategies, start going out there and start copy and pasting yourself and making those commissions and making that money. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how to go from 0 to 10K per month online, then make sure to click the first link below this video and you can get access to my free affiliate marketing training. So make sure to do that. You're gonna absolutely love it and find it so much valuable. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.